digit in the number will depend on the test mode. The first digit will be 0 for routine, 1 for stat, and 2 for QC test. This first digit is fixed and cannot be changed. Next in the test settings is Continuous Test. Select Continuous Test and press Enter to cycle the settings to off or on. If the continuous test is off, you can test one strip at a time, which is also called single test mode. This performs 60 tests per hour. If the continuous test is on, you can test strips one after another. Continuous test mode performs up to 120 tests per hour. The circled arrow symbol will be displayed when the continuous test is on. Next is Operator. Select Operator ID and press Enter to increase the number by 1. After the number reaches 10, it will revert back to 0, 1. The last option in the test settings is the units. Select the units and press Enter to cycle the units between conventional or SI units. Once you finish all your selections for the test settings, select Exit and press Enter to return to the main menu. Analyzer Configuration. You can configure your analyzer by selecting Analyzer Configuration and pressing Enter. Select the printer setup to navigate through printer properties. Choosing Internal in Select Printer prints the results in the internal printer. On the other hand, choosing External in Select Printer prints the results on an external printer. Next option in the printer setup is Print Darkness. Print Darkness provides the level of darkness in the display. It ranges from 1 to 9. The darkest is 9 and the default is 5. The next option is the Printer Mode. For Printer Mode, selecting Normal prints the standard font size, while selecting Expand prints a larger font size. Next is Auto Print. Selecting On prints the results after each test. The printer icon is displayed. Selecting Off requires pressing the print key to print the results, and the printer icon is not displayed. Keep in mind that it is only when Auto Print is on that the data will automatically transmit to the computer or LIS. Last but not least is the Print Copies. Print Copies defines the number of result copies printed at one time. The print copies can be set from 1 to 3. Once you have finished all your selections for the printer setup, select Exit and press Enter to return to the main menu. Now you are back in the Analyzer Configuration screen. Select Sound and press Enter to cycle the options to Off, On, and Prompts. You also have the ability to use a barcode reader. Select the barcode reader and press Enter to display Yes to allow the use of a barcode. The barcode reader icon will be shown. Press Enter to cycle between Yes or No. If the optional barcode reader is not present, this setting should be set to No. The next selection is the language. Select the language and press Enter to change the current language. Each time Enter is pressed, the language changes. You also need to set the current date and time. Select Date Time and press Enter. This will allow you to set the date format, time format, and set date and time. To do this, select Set Date and Time and press Enter. The first digit to be changed in the date will be highlighted. You can press up or down arrows to change the number one at a time, then press left or right arrows to progress to the next digit to be changed. Once done, press Enter to save the changes and exit the screen, or press Cancel to not accept any changes and exit the screen. Make sure that the date and time setting is correct based on the date format and time format. The last option in the analyzer configuration is the Auto Number Reset. Select Auto Number Reset and press Enter to cycle to Yes or No. If you select Yes, the test number will reset each day. If you select No, the test number will be unaffected by the date. Once you have selected your desired option, select Exit to go to